Good PM. Today is Tuesday, April 2, 2024, and here are the 3 p.m. Estel Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Shore 3 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 2, 2024, Tuesday. Here are the STL Shore 3 p.m. draw result from Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Tuesday, April 2, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for April 2, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.